In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Slack app, and we'll cover everything in just 5 minutes. Slack is a powerful tool for team communication and collaboration, so let's jump right in and get you up to speed. First things first, you'll want to head over to your web browser and navigate to the Slack website. Just type in the URL or search for Slack online, and you'll be on your way to tapping into a new level of productivity for your team. Once you're on the Slack homepage, you'll see various options to get started. In most cases, you'll want to look for the sign in button, particularly if you're joining a workspace for the first time. After clicking on sign in, you'll be prompted with different sign in options. One of the most convenient ways is to sign in with your Google account. This method simplifies the process and keeps all your credentials streamlined and secure. Click on sign in with Google and follow the instructions. Signing in with your Google account is straightforward and you'll be sorted in no time. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Slack dashboard. This dashboard is the heart of your Slack experience, providing you with all the channels, direct messages and integrations you need. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. You'll notice on the left hand side there's a list of channels that you're a part of, as well as direct messages from your colleagues. These are the main areas you'll be navigating as you use Slack. Now let's take a look at how to enhance your Slack experience by adding apps. On the left sidebar of your dashboard, you should see an option called Add Apps. This is where you can explore various integrations that can streamline your workflow. Click on Add Apps and a world of additional functionality opens up. Slack offers a ton of apps that can be integrated directly into your channels, ranging from project management tools to calendar apps and much more. After clicking on Add Apps, you'll have an opportunity to browse and select the apps that suit your needs. When you find an app you want to integrate, click on it. The next step is to proceed with the installation. Simply click on Install and you'll be guided through a few prompts to set everything up. This process is straightforward and usually doesn't take much time. Finally, once your app is installed, you'll often be given another option to add to Slack. This allows your selected app to be fully integrated with your workspace and readily accessible. By clicking on Add to Slack, you're adding an extra dimension to your productivity, making it easier than ever to manage tasks and collaborate effectively with your team. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've mastered the basics of using the Slack app. Remember, the key to using Slack effectively lies in exploring these tools and making them work for your specific needs. Thanks for watching and happy slacking.